Lesson 1. Your business mirrors who you are. For instance, if you're messy, your business might be too. If you're not organized, your business might lack order. If you're only focused on money, your employees might feel the same way, giving less and always wanting more. If you don't have enough knowledge about running your business, it might show in how things are done. So, if you want your business to improve, you've got to start by improving yourself. Lesson 2. You need to learn new skills. Many people who start their businesses do so out of an entrepreneurial seizure, a sudden urge to break free from a job they were doing for someone else. However, the mistake arises when they assume that understanding the technical work of a business automatically qualifies them to run a business. This assumption is the root cause of many small business failures because running a business demands various skills beyond just doing the work they love. Lesson 3. Balancing 3 personalities. Every business owner has 3 personalities within them: the entrepreneur, the manager, and the technician. The entrepreneur is the visionary, the dreamer who lives in the future and seeks opportunities. They create ideas and drive change. The manager is pragmatic, seeking order and stability. They focus on planning and maintaining the status quo. The technician is the doer, living in the present and enjoying hands-on work. They mistrust lofty ideas and prioritize getting things done. The conflict arises because these personas often clash in their desires and approaches. The entrepreneur wants change, the manager prefers the status quo, and the technician dislikes interruptions and strict systems. The key takeaway is that understanding and balancing these personalities are crucial for a successful business. Lesson 4. Develop a franchise prototype. The idea is to see your business as a prototype for many more just like it. Imagine someone wanting to buy your business, but only if it works smoothly without needing too much of your time. Picture yourself proudly showing them how well your business functions, how you've solved problems, measured results, and made everything work consistently. The franchise prototype simply means building a business that's good to go with the turn of a key. Lots of successful businesses like McDonald's follow this idea. At McDonald's, they tested every tiny detail before making it part of their system. Once they figured it out, they taught franchisees how to run the show. The franchise prototype caters to different roles within a business. The entrepreneur sees it as a way to bring their vision to life. The manager values its order and predictability, and the technician finds freedom in their technical work within a structured system. Ultimately, the franchise prototype aims to enable people to run businesses without letting those businesses dominate their lives. Lesson 5. Work on your business, not in it. The main idea is that your business should be separate from your life. Your business exists to serve your life, not the other way around. To make this work, you need to focus more on the big picture rather than getting caught up in day-to-day tasks. It means spending more time organizing your business, planning its growth, and establishing systems for smooth operation to ensure it can run efficiently without constant hands-on involvement. At the start, you might do everything by yourself, but as your business grows, you hire more people. Sometimes businesses get messy because they don't have clear roles for everyone, leading to confusion. That's why it's crucial to define your business structure first and assign clear roles. Creating an organization chart and detailed job descriptions helps everyone understand their responsibilities, holds them accountable, and keeps the business running smoothly, even as it grows. Lesson 6. Define your primary aim. Your business isn't everything in life. It's about finding what's most important to you, your primary aim, what you want your life to be about. Imagine a big event celebrating your life. Picture yourself there with everyone you care about. Your primary aim is the story you want to tell about your life at the end. It's about living your life on purpose and making it the way you want. Having a clear picture of what you want in life is crucial. Realizing that life isn't just about acquiring things or doing tasks, but about expanding, growing, and discovering your true self is key. Without knowing your primary aim, it's hard to make decisions or measure your progress in life. Lesson 7. Define your strategic objective. Your business should help achieve your life goals. The strategic objective defines what your business needs to accomplish to fulfill these goals, starting with financial targets. It involves understanding the revenues and profits needed to support your desired lifestyle. Many businesses aim to be sellable, so a successful business model is crucial. An opportunity worth pursuing is a business that meets your financial goals and addresses significant consumer needs. Lesson 8: The power of delegation. The main idea is to build a business that doesn't rely on your constant presence. Sometimes entrepreneurs unintentionally make their businesses revolve around themselves. If everything depends on you, making decisions, doing the work, and dealing with customers, it feels more like having a job than running an independent business. As the author said, and it's the worst job in the world because you're working for a lunatic. More than that, it defeats the purpose of starting a business in the first place, to break free from a job. That's why delegation is so powerful. Focus on effectively delegating tasks to competent individuals, empowering them to take responsibility and contribute to the business's growth. The core idea is about creating a workplace culture where employees are motivated to excel by aligning their values with the company's vision and fostering a sense of purpose and commitment. In other words, instead of commanding people to do things, it's essential to establish a culture and environment where doing it becomes intrinsic to their way of working. It's also important to set clear communication and systematic approaches to manage and lead the team effectively. Lesson 9: Know your customer. Understanding your customers is like knowing your closest friend. You have to learn what they love, what bugs them, and what they're looking for. Once you've got a grip on their needs, your business should adjust itself to fit those needs perfectly. It's not just about having a good product, it's about making it exactly how your customers want it. The marketing process involves attracting, selling, and fulfilling promises to retain customers. To succeed, understand your customers' demographics and psychographics, who they are, and why they buy. A loyal customer base isn't just a number, it's like building a solid friendship. Listening to your customers is crucial. Their feedback helps improve your business and fix any problems. By understanding what your customers want, you can connect with them, earn their trust, and keep them coming back. Lesson 10: Create systems and processes. This means setting up organized ways and documented steps for how your business should work, no matter who's involved. By doing this, you're making a structure that guides how things are done, decisions are made, and the business runs every day. These systems help things run smoothly, keep the quality consistent, and let your business grow easily. It's important to write down these systems clearly, like making guides or manuals for your employees. That way, even if you're not around, everyone knows what to do, and things keep running well. Lesson 11: Innovate constantly. Continuous innovation and improvement are crucial for long-term growth and success. It's vital to always seek new ways to enhance your business. The world evolves, and so do people's needs. To remain relevant, a business must continually seek ways to improve and stay current. For instance, utilizing technology to streamline processes can boost productivity and maintain competitiveness in your industry. Innovation isn't solely about creating new products. It's also about solving problems. In essence, it involves how your business engages with customers, not just what it sells. Even minor changes, such as altering customer communication, can significantly impact sales. Lesson 12: Plan and measure. Implement clear strategies and metrics to track your business's performance and progress toward goals. In other words, measure the impact of the changes you're making with numbers. Counting customers, tracking sales, and analyzing data helps understand what works and what doesn't. Without numbers, it's hard to know if changes are making a difference.